Day four then is we move on to sales and marketing. Always a sort of popular day, always an important day, always a weakness of agencies, of course. So we're looking at how we build a predictable growth, how we generate predictable growth and build a pipeline, trying to move out of this situation where most agencies find themselves in, where we rely on referrals, on the sole efforts of the founder, on luck in many cases. And so therefore because of those things, most agency pipelines are lacking, or they feel at worst, or at best they feel unstable. So we're going to look at sales and marketing, how we can generate a more stable pipeline. So we're going to diagnose firstly why pipelines break down or aren't often populated, identify the sort of weaknesses in the structure, etc., in individuals, and why that happens. Then we're going to shift the focus on to lead capture and demand generation, helping people understand how interest is generated in the market deliberately rather than just waiting for inquiries or referrals. Choosing the right channels, we're going to cover that. That's very important. Not everything works for everyone in agencies, so not everything works for different types of agencies. So this session in this day is going to help prioritize the channels that we believe deliver the most bang for buck, as it were, in the current market. And then finally finish on how we, which is hugely important, how can we can improve qualification of our prospects and convert them better as well. So strengthening the sales process. And the outcome here on this day really is predictability, as I touched upon at the start there. It's more developing a more reliable approach to generating and converting demand, less reliance on referrals, although referrals are hugely important, and taking some of the focus, hopefully, or the weight, should I say, off the founder and how we can use the team to generate more new business, as well as still do our bit as agency founders, of course, which is massively important still.
Perfect. Day five.